like laying in his lap. Sorry. The front compartment of my car is obviously gone. He got stuck behind him.
Fire department didn't cut that off.
Do what?
Fire department didn't cut that off.
I'm telling you. All right. Darn fireman.
Small.
All right.
You're kind of one of those.
Do what?
I said, you're kind of one of those.
No, if I could help it, I wouldn't be. Okay. You want to tighten this one too, or do you trust it? Here. Now.
Good.
All right. When you apply the lower straps, these upper straps are going to loosen. That's natural. Just go back and adjust them again. Okay? Are you breathing okay?
I'm breathing fine.
Okay. In this skill, you can never check PMS too many times. Okay? I've done this much. I want to go back and check PMS again. Okay? Squeeze my hands. You feel me touching you?
I do.
Moving your toes. Do you feel me touching your feet?
I do.
Okay. We have good PMS in all four extremities still. Everybody good with that? Now, we have these lower straps done. We have to secure the upper portion, correct? There's a red strap that runs on top, and it's over here on the side. Dun, 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 dun. Cinch this down, okay? A good rule of thumb, guys, is that you ought to be able to get about 2 fingers in here, but no more than that. You don't want to be any looser than that. Okay? Now, these straps, same concept. Get them out of your way, tuck them in. Alright, so we have the device on. Now you have to secure the head to the device. Now, the thing to bear in mind when you're doing this, you're bringing the device to the patient. You are not bringing the patient to the device. You do not want to manipulate his spinal column at all. Okay? But if y'all notice, there's about a 4-inch gap back here. Okay? That's what the big pillow is for. Pillow runs down right behind his head. Okay? It also comes with these cute little head straps. Go ahead. Maneuver your thumb just slightly to where you're. There we go. There you go. Okay. Now, same concept, the head strap and the chin strap, right? Okay.
Good old Velcro.
It's okay if they cross, as long as they stay. Okay, now, I have the device on and my partner does not release C-spine yet. Okay? PMS check. Okay, move your toes. Got PMS in all 4 extremities, right? Now, we have our nice gentleman in our, we have him all packaged and ready to go. How do you get him out of the car? Do it. How you get him out of the car?
I don't know how to explain it.
It's hard to do it. Come for the fire department.
Call for the fire department.
Remove the big post, remove the back of the seat.
When you're using this device, here's how you'll be graded on it. When we pick this device up and it moves, you have to do it over. Because you're going to put it on in here just like you're going to put it on in the field. Alright? Straps and everything's tight, just like she said. I know he's uncomfortable, so we'll get him out here in just a second. Okay? So you're going to tie the hands and feet. Why should we tie the hands and feet? Because as you're moving him out, what if he goes unconscious? What's going to happen to the hands? Exactly. So tie the hands and feet. That's what she's doing now. Now, be careful when you're tying guys up in this thing, cause the family jewels, like a vice is not good, all right? But it keeps everything kinda in line,
You got a question back there?
yes.
Well, I've got a comment, when we did this, they told us an acronym
Okay,
that stuck with me.
okay, if that worked for you, that's fine, go ahead.
My baby looks totally hot.
Exactly right, the colored straps.
Middle, legs, top.
Now, she did the bottom strap before she did the legs. There's a reason for that, and I'll show you why. In the skills manual, it says middle, legs, and then the bottom, okay? Now, the reason that she did that is because if you put the bottom strap, if you put the leg straps on, then you put the bottom straps, they're caught. So when you undo them, they're still caught. So if you put the bottom strap on, then the leg straps, when you undo them, when you put them on the spine board, they're gonna be more free, it's gonna be a lot more comfortable in here. So the skills manual says, but you're okay doing it, middle, bottom, and then the legs, that's perfectly acceptable. But yeah, that's a good acronym.
Okay.
And here's what we're fixing to do, y'all get up so you can see, when we put him on the long spine board, what's gonna happen. I need somebody else to lift over here.
I'll take some time.
All right, then one person on this side, there's handholds on this thing.
Right there. And then there should be another one down there.
You're gonna lift up underneath the legs, straight up underneath the legs.
Just get, just get underneath and then, and here, just right.
That is in the car.
1, 2, 3. Three on the spine board.
Yeah. Right.
Yep.
There you go. Yeah, walk around, there you go, there you go.
See, when I lift the leg straps, watch. The straps are out of the way. Had they been under this bottom strap, this buckle would have caught and it would still been pressure. Does that make sense? Okay, that's why it's perfectly acceptable to put these on after the bottom strap. Because if it's up under here, it's still gonna be tight. So now it's not an uncomfortable thing. Now, what do we gotta do now?
Shift it.
3 straps on the stretcher, right?
Well, we gotta get him
Yeah,
on the
we're-
stretcher.
Gotta readjust.
Exactly.
Count 1, 2, 3. Okay?
And then that, all the straps, the head locks and all that stuff goes in place.
The person at the head who is holding C-spine does not let go of C-spine until you are fully immobilized to the spine board. Okay? During your testing, if you release C-spine before complete immobilization of the spine board, sorry, hated for you, you're out. Okay? Do not release C-spine until you obtain complete immobilization. Okay? Now, once you have him down here, you got him on the spine board, you've released his legs, PMS. Okay? You want to make sure that nothing that you have done has interfered with any of his neurological functions. So, PMS times 4 again. Okay? Get him on the spine board, you're going to start your assessment over again. You're going to start right back at A. Airway, breathing, circulation, and go right through the whole shebang. Okay? Everybody good with that?
All right, at this point, y'all find something, spine board, clamshell device, strip stretcher, there's other spine board stuff back there, and y'all start practicing. We've showed you that stuff to keep you busy for the rest of the night, and then we'll go from there. Y'all got clean room, you can move out the hallway, use the other classroom, I don't care. If you need to take a break, you're on your own, but I will see you doing something. We're gonna be walking around, watching, and that sort of thing, and answering questions.
Grab.